Okay, so I'm going to show you the content planner, which is Canva's scheduling tool. It's been out for a few months and it is improving. It's getting better and it's a great tool if you want to schedule straight from Canva into your social media platforms. You will need to connect your social media platforms to your account. Most of them very, very simple, and you can actually do it when you're creating your designs. The only one that's a little trickier is Facebook, because you have to go into your Facebook account and actually give Canva permission. So you do need to do that if you want to schedule to Facebook. Okay, so this is the content planner. This is basically just a calendar, and there's a design here that I had scheduled in for the 17th of April. You can see it was scheduled for 10:46, and when you hover over it says publish to Instagram. So we can see that that particular design was published to Instagram. We're now on the 30th and I'm going to show you how to create a design and publish it to Canva. Okay, you've got this little cross here which shows you your recent designs and templates, and so you can think to yourself, oh, that one, I want to schedule that to Instagram stories, for example. And then if you click on it, it will bring up your title. I haven't given this a title, when it was created, what day you want to schedule it. So I could say next Friday. I can choose a time, and PM or AM. I'm going to say 6:19 AM, for example, and I can choose a destination. So these are accounts that I have got signed up to my Canva account. I've got Twitter, I've got Facebook, I've got Pinterest, and I've got newly Instagram. So I can click Instagram and I can type in here new review. You can add in your hashtags and examples, and I can resize it because it's not wanting to allow me to add it to Instagram. And I can go back to schedule, choose my destination, back to Instagram. I can write in new review. So Canva will help you with the design. So if it's not quite the right sizing, you can resize it. It's really intuitive like that. I can click schedule to, and then I have different options here. I can connect my LinkedIn page. I can click Instagram business. I haven't got Instagram business, I've just got normal Instagram. This one connected, and then I can click schedule post. And it will prepare my design and it will schedule it for me. It's now scheduled. Okay, so if I now wanted to schedule that post to a different social media platform, I would need to make a copy. You cannot use the same design that you have scheduled to one account to schedule to another. So I would have to make a copy, click this, the three dots, and then find the schedule section, which is in here somewhere, and reschedule it. You cannot, there it is, you cannot schedule. So I could then choose a different time and date, go to next. I could even just choose Instagram again, write my new caption, schedule post. So for any day you want to schedule a design to, you have to make a copy. You can only schedule one design to one social platform on one day. That is where the content planner will hopefully be improving, so that you can use the same design to schedule to multiple platforms. It says here, if you continue editing this design, the schedule post will be paused. So if I want to edit it, it will need to be paused and I will need to reschedule it again. So if we go back to the content planner, you will now see that I have got two designs, both scheduled to post to Instagram, that one at 3:21 PM and that one at 3:20 PM. If I click on, actually no, yeah, there we go. So it tells you here the date and the time it will be scheduled. You can add in your hashtags. You've got 2200 characters you can use here. and it tells you up here that that post has been scheduled for Instagram. So it's a great tool. You can create a design in Canva. I close that one, go back to Canva. So you can come in, you can click create a design, you can decide to create an Instagram post, for example. Once you have created your design, I'm just going to use a template. This one, you would then go to the three little dots and find the schedule button. It is a pro feature, so if you've got pro, you can schedule. Sometimes it's a little bit further down. You may have to click see all to try and find it, but it will be there somewhere. And then you can go to schedule, choose your date, your time, click next, choose your destination. So I could schedule this one to Twitter. New post, for example, and I can change the date. I'm going to go for the 9th. Click done, schedule post. And it's as simple as that. I need to authorize Twitter. There we go. And it's done. So Twitter's an easy one to authorize. It kind of does it for you. Facebook is the only one you do need to actually log in and give it access to be able to schedule to. So there we go. So now we have multiple posts, and it even tells you there that we've even got the Twitter logo so that we know that's going to Twitter, they're going to Instagram. You can schedule multiple posts on one day. So you could have 4 or 5 in here, and it will show you small icons of each design with a small icon so you know where it's going to. So again, it's just a very visual way of scheduling to social media. But like I say, just be aware that you can only schedule one post one day. You need to make a copy if you want to schedule that same post to different platforms and different days.